At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting a gunsmithing business involves a mix of passion for firearms, technical expertise, and entrepreneurial skills. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Research and planning. Understand the legal requirements and regulations for gunsmithing in your area. This may include obtaining licenses, permits, and complying with firearms laws. Research the market demand for gunsmithing services in your locality. Identify your target customers, such as firearm enthusiasts, hunters, law enforcement agencies, and gun collectors. 2. Gain skills and knowledge. Acquire the necessary skills and knowledge in gunsmithing through formal education, apprenticeships, or hands-on training. Consider enrolling in a gunsmithing school or program to learn about firearm repair, customization, safety, and regulations. 3. Business plan. Develop a comprehensive business plan outlining your services, target market, pricing strategy, marketing plan, and financial projections. Determine the startup costs, including tools, equipment, workspace, insurance, and marketing expenses. 4. Legal considerations. Register your gunsmithing business and obtain any required licenses and permits. This may include a federal firearms license, FFL, if you plan to buy, sell, or manufacture firearms. Comply with local, state, and federal regulations regarding firearm sales, repairs, and safety standards. 5. Set up your workspace. Create a dedicated workspace equipped with the necessary tools and equipment for gun repair, customization, and maintenance. Ensure your workspace meets safety standards and is secure to prevent unauthorized access to firearms and parts. 6. Sourcing supplies. Establish relationships with suppliers and distributors to source firearms, parts, accessories, and tools needed for your business. Consider offering a range of products and services such as firearm sales, repairs, cleaning kits, and customizations to attract a wider customer base. 7. Marketing and promotion. Develop a marketing strategy to promote your gunsmithing services. This may include creating a website, social media presence, and advertising in local publications or gun-related forums. Network with local shooting clubs, gun ranges, and firearm enthusiasts to spread the word about your business through word-of-mouth referrals. 8. Provide excellent customer service. Focus on providing high-quality services and excellent customer service to build a positive reputation and earn repeat business. Listen to your customers' needs and preferences and tailor your services accordingly to meet their expectations. 9. Stay informed and adaptable. Stay updated on the latest developments, trends, and regulations in the firearms industry. Continuously invest in your skills and knowledge through training, workshops, and attending industry events.
10. Manage finance.
Keep track of your finances, including income, expenses, and taxes. Set aside funds for equipment maintenance, inventory replenishment, and business growth. Starting a gunsmithing business requires dedication, technical proficiency, and a commitment to compliance with legal and safety regulations. By following these steps and providing excellent service, you can build a successful and sustainable venture in the firearms industry. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.